Hey everybody, welcome back. Got another awesome car here. Actually, I have this one for the second time. It's a 1968 and a half 428 Cobra Jet R code, Acapulco Blue, 4-speed, factory 430 rear gear. And this car is very unique. It's got factory blue interior with a factory bench seat. Definitely a one of one. Got the statistics report in there. It's got all the original tags. Non-fold down. Power disc brakes. No power steering. Has a Hurst shifter. The car has 22,000 actual miles. The body on this car is great. It's been painted one time back in the day. I had this car, I think in 2020, right at the beginning of COVID, and sold it and tried to buy it back a couple years ago. The guy wouldn't sell it back. Well, I guess he ended up, something happened to him and it popped up for sale. And it was one of those cars that I missed and regretted selling, so I bought it back because it's such a cool car. Factory hood scoop there. It's got the original drivetrain. I've got the ram air top and the snorkel and the S-tube. Got all that stuff. Got the original buck tag still on it. It's just a really awesome car. Got the wraparounds. It's got hooker headers. GT, obviously. The car was raced, but thankfully they didn't cut anything. No major modifications. They did have a line lock on it. There's the Marti. Here's back in the day when the car was at the drag strip. Here's the statistics report. A true one-on-one car. Unlike some that say they've been sent to the East Coast. The only one at the East Coast. It was sold new at Mullins Ford, Richlands, Virginia. Not crazy far from here. The original owner's manual. The warranty tag. It's just a really cool car. I would 10-to-1 rather have a car like this. It's not perfect. Paint's not perfect. Presentable. Runs hard. No metal has ever been replaced. It's just, to me, a true muscle car. I mean, 4-speed, 430, 68 and a half. Super awesome. I really don't want to sell this car, that's why I bought it back. I've got way too many cars. Way too many wants for other cars. I paid a lot to get it back. If somebody wants it more than I do, you're more than welcome to call 304-731-6497. It's not gonna be cheap. It's gonna be close to 6 figures because that's what I had to give for it to get it back. I've had a lot of 68 and a half cars, but this one is probably the coolest with the bench seat. Great color. Like I said, original drivetrain still in it. 22,000 original miles. It's just an awesome car. AK tack. Original Philco. AM radio still in it. Dash pad's in great shape. Headliner. bench seat with a 430 4-speed is just kind of wild to me. It's got a factory, I haven't cleaned this car out or anything. It's got a factory Ford floor mat, which I've never seen before. That's interesting. Trunk's really dry, really clean. Super rare 68.5. Need to get that tag off. Anyway, just thought I'd put this one up on the channel because it's such a sweet car. Thanks for watching.